I'm sure the Olympic Flames are a robust bit of kit. It'll have to be if it comes anywhere near these shores, and I'll show you what I mean. A vast shield of cloud coming in across the British Isles. Some really quite heavy rain coming across the northern half at the moment in two distinct pulses. You see that quite nicely there on our charts. Further south, the skies are a wee bit clearer. The very best of the sunshine here this afternoon down towards the south coast and indeed to the Channel Islands. And after a very wet start to the day across Scotland, I think perhaps a little bit of brightness there just to finish off the day on the east coast, and maybe, if you're very lucky, over on the eastern side of Northern Ireland. If you see the sunshine, well, if you're lucky, 16 or 17, I'm really rather guessing. Further south, 20 or 21 could be yours. You remember those two pulses of rain? It's going to have a feature there at the Crooked at Headingley. It was a wet start, they delayed it, they're out playing now, but they've got more rain to come. They'll be off again before the end of the afternoon, and they may have a problem with bad light later on this evening. Through this evening, I think we'll take much of that rain down across the rest of the Midlands into East Anglia, maybe flirting with the southeast of England, clouding up all the while across these southern counties, probably staying dry though, and then further north, a little bit of brightness, perhaps just getting in to finish the day in the northeast of England. Now, all that cloud overnight is still going to be there, particularly in the south. Look at this, 15 or 16, a really muggy old night. And just when you thought you'd seen the last of it, we'll see these fronts lying there across the south. The more westerly portion through tomorrow starts driving back across Wales, the Irish Sea, and up towards Northern Ireland, so you'll see a rerun of some cloud and rain as well. A cloudy old start to the day, except perhaps in this northeastern quarter and through the eastern side of Scotland. All the while there's rather muggy conditions piling up through the North Sea, putting the rain back into Northern Ireland, up into the Solway as well. Best of the sunshine over towards the east, might just pop off one or two showers as the temperatures again get up to around about 22, possibly even 23 in the best of the sunshine, but where you stick with the cloud you could be in the mid-teens. Just want to take you out into the big picture, into the Atlantic. Bear in mind this strip of cloud, because that could well be the feature that just drapes itself across the north and west of Scotland, maybe into Northern Ireland on Saturday, but elsewhere a lot of fine and dry weather. And something that you really will notice as we get on in towards Saturday and Sunday is that the temperatures are set to get away to 24 or 25, not wall-to-wall sunshine, Anna, but for the time of year, not bad at all.